Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Another grouping of the country's health sector is facing a challenge of retaining its employees. Pharmacists are now taking up opportunities outside Jamaica. The revelation was made by the president of the Pharmaceutical Society of Jamaica, PSJ, Ainsley Jones. He was addressing journalists at the conclusion of a PSAJ conference in Montego Bay, St. James this morning. We have more in this report. The health sector continues to be pressured by the migration of nurses to, as some put it, greener pastures. Pharmacists are beginning to follow suit. Ainsley Jones is the president of the Pharmaceutical Society of Jamaica.
I can tell you the pharmacists are leaving for other Caribbean countries and also for Canada. A lot of them are studying and leaving for Canada. So we have the brain drain as it relates to the pharmaceutical profession as well too.
Brain drain, but Mr. Jones was quick to point out that it hasn't reached crisis levels, although members of the organization have sounded an alarm.
In terms of a major shortage, I wouldn't say there's a major shortage, but I've heard pharmacy owners indicating to the Pharmaceutical Society that there has been a difficulty accessing the services of pharmacists.
On the issue of why they're leaving, more money.
Pharmacists locally are really not remunerated at the rate that they should be. They can go to other Caribbean islands and earn 3 times what they earn in Jamaica. They go to Canada, they earn upwards of 6 times what they earn in Jamaica, and so they're really not staying here because in terms of their knowledge, it's transferable to other jurisdictions, and so they're taking that opportunity to leave.
Currently, there are close to 1,000 pharmacists registered in the country.